Hello, Linchoppers! Welcome once again to my channel. This is Sir Job and welcome to Sir Job TV. Para sa lahat po ng mga new explorers tsaka newly discovered pa lang po sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell for you to be updated with my future videos. So finally, Golden Choppers, magkakaroon naman po tayo ng another interview for this morning. So this is a very special vlog because we will be visiting an office tour of our guidance counselor here in Agusan National High School. So keep watching Golden Choppers because I'm sure you will learn something from this particular video. Hello, Golden Choppers! Good morning, everyone, to all of you. So I'm very excited to share with you this morning another wonderful and meaningful learning together with Ma'am G, our guidance counselor here in Agusan National High School. So for today's video, itutour tayo ni Ma'am G sa kanyang napakagandang office dito po sa aming paaralan. So I'll start here, Ma'am G. Bakit kailangan talagang mayroong guidance office na nakalagay sa door pa lang ng iyong office?
For to identify what center or office is or the room. Actually, this will be guidance center.
So dapat guidance center ang nakalagay dito. Okay. So para madali siyang ma-identify ng ating mga estudyante. So I'm very curious here, Ma'am G, itong area na to, for what purpose is this, Ma'am?
This is for our files, for the students' files, for the individual inventory. So every year I have an individual inventory for each student. So we put here the individual record of each student.
Okay. So from grade 11 to grade 12. So complete na po ito, Ma'am.
As of now, because senior high school is new, so this is from the last 3 years.
Of our learners.
Yes.
Okay. So ang portion na ito dito, Ma'am G, for what purpose? Kasi napaka-organized ng area.
Office files, my files of course, office supplies and others.
From the previous students?
No, these are
So ngayon lang na school year.
over the years I have collected some mga memos, mga whatever. I collected them all, so I just put it there.
Kasi baka may nangailangan.
Yes.
Okay. So yun ang mga kailangan. So this is the office of
The
Ma'am
old
G.
files I have.
So napaka-organized. Kasi dati itong, ikaw ba ang nag-design, Ma'am G? Kasi dati itong principal's office, di ba? Last
Yes.
year, principal's office po ito. Pero ngayon, nabago na siya, naging guidance center na po.
Yes.
Sino ang, Ma'am G, nag-design ng mismong office?
Actually me.
So si Ma'am G po talaga ang
I mean,
nag-design.
the interior design.
Ayan, ang idea is coming
Yeah.
from you. Okay. Bakit ito ang naisip mo, Ma'am G?
Because of the space, we only have a small space, and I have, we have to
Utilize.
think of a space that is very open and spacious for.
Kasi marami ang pupunta dito.
Yes.
So can we demonstrate now, Ma'am G, kung papaano ang parents, pagpasok nila, what is the first thing to do? Kasi dapat maintindihan natin mga parents kasi nahihiya sila sometimes, Ma'am G,
And students also.
ang students also, na pumasok dito sa iyong office. So,
Yes.
paano po ang starting point or the etiquette ng pagpasok nila mismo sa iyong office? Can you demonstrate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or this one. Open this one.
Okay. From the door,
Yes, of course. Have to knock.
knock the door. You have to knock the door and then open.
Open, and then of course say good morning. or
So you have to do
whatever.
greetings pag enter
Yes,
pa lang.
and then of course I will reply what can I
Okay.
do for you.
Because nandyan po ang pick table ni Ma'am G. Ilalak mo natin siya for the meantime because we're doing something here. So pagpasok nila, Ma'am G, ngayon, because nag-conversation na kayo nag-start, anong gagawin ng isang estudyante? Upo siya dito.
Yes, I will just let them sit down, of course,
okay.
and then of course talk to them.
Okay. So kailangan dito lang ang estudyante in the setup. Or pwede silang
Pwede
pumunta
sila
dito, Ma'am G?
Yes, of course, but it's another setting also for counseling.
Okay.
But if you just come here for anything, just want to talk to me or any inquiry, you just can sit down directly to this one.
Yeah.
I will be sitting here and you sit down there. Or if you want to sit down here, it's okay.
Kasi baka marami sila, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi sometimes ang mga estudyante, grupo silang may concern.
Yeah.
So that is the reason why pwede ang iba dito. Okay. Ang iba naman, yung pinaka may main concern dito talaga
Yes.
para makausap.
Yeah.
Okay. So may mga confidential ba mga conversation sometimes ng Gina? Dapat kayo lang ang nakakarinig.
Yes, yes. Especially when the students wants to say something personal or just to let out of their system what they have in mind or in their heart. We have.
So they can request.
Yes.
O one-on-one talaga na kayo lang.
Yes, of course.
Kasi maganda yun, no?
But
One-on-one.
if counseling session is going on, I really have to close the door.
Yeah.
And of course, we should have a confidential.
Okay, conversation.
Yes.
Kasi napaka-close naman po ng office ni Ma'am Chi. So, talagang safe ang mga information. But I love this one.
Yeah.
Gusto ko yung pagka-plantita ni Ma'am Chi dito.
See, this is what pandemic gave
I
to
love
me.
Ma'am Chi kasi ano siya, nabubuhay siya sa tubig.
Yeah, because I do not want to have mamamatay dito yung yung plants na may soil.
Lupa, ay may
Kasi
soil.
very close.
Oh,
Tapos,
close area.
I seldom come here because of the pandemic. So sometimes that's why.
Para hindi mo na kailangan diligan.
Yes.
Ah.
So gaya ko na punta sa tuwa-tuwa everyday maintenance.
Yeah, I love the idea. Anong tawag ito, Ma'am G, na pag-culture? Kasi may mga plants na hindi naman nabubuhay sa tubig, di ba?
Yeah, I saw it in YouTube actually.
So pinanood ni Ma'am G kasi kailangan kasi na meron tayong mga green, mga
Fresh.
fresh dito sa mismong office mo, di ba? Para makalanghap pa rin si Ma'am G ng kanyang fresh air, of course. Pero may mga painting, Ma'am G,
Yes.
na ano to?
Actually, these are given to me. This one was given to me by the previous principal of the school.
Okay.
And then I asked him, oh, can I have
I
that
love
one?
the idea. I love the the design.
And this one, these are from, actually this one, and that one,
Lahat ng mga painting dito,
except this one,
except this one,
is from students, anong tawag yan?
yung mga
Output sa mga grade 12.
So, pwede tayong mag-donate ng ating mga painting dito sa office ni Ma'am G.
Under the subject of Mr. Pilinio. So, he gave this to me.
So, we can donate actually. So,
Yes.
so baka magpagawa ako.
Baka
So,
mga students.
bigay natin dito para makita nila, no?
Yes.
Pero may mga restriction ba ng painting, Ma'am G? Na ito lang itong pwede kong ilaga. Kasi hindi naman pwede lahat, di ba?
Actually, in counseling, we have to choose colors that are
Okay.
suitable for, para bang maaliwalas na color,
Correct.
not dark ones, but like this one, very colorful. Sometimes students look at this one and they will just look at this and then ask, what is the
something,
painting about?
yeah,
And I will just tell them,
Curious sila.
okay, what
Pero
do you
yung
think?
color, Ma'am G, ng office, I think hindi na siya pinalitan, no?
No.
Kasi okay lang ang white sa iyo.
Yes, okay.
Kasi if ako ang upo dito, of course, maging yellow talaga ang office ko. Pero sa iyo, okay lang ang color. Kasi parang dominant ang color white sa iyong office. Ayun,
Yes.
sir.
Ako personal, I want it to be light.
Okay. Gusto ni Ma'am G na talagang light ang mga colors and everything. So may table si Ma'am G dito. Very simple lang ang table ni Ma'am G. Wala siyang mga gamit masyado kasi nandoon na, naka-organize na yung gamit niya.
Yeah.
Okay, so, everyday ka ba dito, Ma'am G?
For this time,
Kasi
for the
pandemic ngayon.
once a week only.
So once a week lang po ang
But
shooting mo.
I do come here
Pag may mga...
most of the time because the principal wants me to be here.
Okay.
Because of some
Pero kung
work.
may request, Ma'am G, na for example, may problem talaga ang estudyante and she wants to talk with you,
Yes.
pwede talagang pumunta si Ma'am G sa office
Yes.
para pag-usapan.
There was one time when a teacher called me and then she wants to talk to the parents and for a conference actually, for
Okay.
counseling. So I went here with the parents.
So you can request, no? You
Yes,
can
of course.
request for a conversation with Ma'am G para at least di ba malinawan tayo for everything that we are asking for.
You can contact me anytime.
Yeah, so you can contact Ma'am G anytime po, especially sa ating mga estudyante dito sa Agusan National High School. You are welcome.
Senior high.
Senior high school. You are so welcome talaga na makipag-usap kay Ma'am G anytime. Hindi lang, wag lang gabi ha, of course. It's beyond our duty already.
I have to take care of that myself.
Yeah. So, may mga windows din po si Ma'am G sa kanyang area, pero hindi mo to tinatanggal, Ma'am G. Ganyan lang siya. Para at least
Yes, because we are I mean, when you do counseling, you have
Yeah.
a certain time you
kailangan mga confidential kasi yung mga pinag-uusapan. So, kailangan talagang close ang kanyang office.
Yes.
So, ganun siya. So, this is how beautiful and this is how welcoming the office of Ma'am G here in Agusan National High School, Senior High School. So, sa lahat ng mga estudyante dito na nag-aaral, kung nakita nyo ang video na ito, you can visit actually Ma'am G anytime that you have concerns and problems regarding with the guidance
anything.
or anything about guidance. So you can ask Ma'am G about it. So thank you once again for watching, everyone, and thank you Ma'am G for your time also,
Yes.
for allowing me to have an office tour in this beautiful office here in Agusan High. Thank you so much Ma'am G, and
You're
thank
welcome.
you everyone for watching. Bye-bye!